Hey everyone! Today I'll be making a lemon raspberry Dutch baby. This is made much like a popover. It's baked in a hot pan and doesn't use any leavening agents like a traditional pancake. To start, place a 10-inch cast iron pan in the oven and preheat it to 425 Fahrenheit. It needs to be hot when we pour the batter in. Now to get started with the batter. It's really fast if you use a blender, but you can also mix by hand. Add half a cup of milk, half a cup of flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of sugar, 3 eggs, and the zest of 1 lemon. And I almost forgot 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Blend until everything is combined and there are no lumps left. Carefully take out your cast iron that's been heated up and add 2 tablespoons of butter. When the butter is melted, pour in the batter. Spread 1 cup of raspberries evenly over the top. And place back into the oven and bake for 15 to 20 minutes until the edges are golden. When you first take it out of the oven, it will be really puffed up, so take your pictures now because it will deflate as it cools and become flat. The batter itself isn't too sweet since we only use 1 tablespoon of sugar, so you can go heavy on the icing sugar and it won't be too much. And it looks pretty. The texture isn't fluffy like a regular pancake, it's more like a crepe because of the amount of eggs to flour ratio. Serve as is or top with lemon curd, whipped cream, maple syrup, or more berries. You can serve this for breakfast or dessert. Try different berry combinations or no berries at all. It will all be delicious. If you give this recipe a try, be sure to tag us at Sam and Feng Cooking on Instagram. Thanks for watching!
Like and subscribe, please.